I entered a short order here for Bitcoin because it seems like the whales are not yet done in dumping here for Bitcoin. If we are going to check our daily time frame, and let's zoom out for a bit. Okay, there you go, guys. Last time we mentioned that Bitcoin managed to break out of its downtrend pattern here, right? Okay. But unfortunately, guys, as of today, July 4, we are inside the downtrend pattern here again. Okay. So that is why I took the trade and entered a short position here for Bitcoin because it seems like the whales are not yet done in dumping their assets here. Okay. Now, to be honest, even though I entered a short position here for Bitcoin, but I think the majority of my bias is for Bitcoin to go up. Okay, but unfortunately, it's not happening as of the moment. I could say that we have a failed breakout levels here. I mean, it's very early to conclude that, but yeah, sometimes you just have to listen to the signs. You just have to check your charts, you just have to check the numbers because interpretation and feelings could be manipulated, right? But charts, patterns, numbers will still be the same. So even though I wanted Bitcoin to go up, but if the market is telling us that it might go down, then I cannot do anything about it. Okay? Our task as a trader is to react on what is happening in the market. Okay? We can make some prediction, we can make some technical analysis, but if the market is doing the opposite, then we should admit that we are wrong. Okay? Because the market is always right. All right. Now, anyways, if we are going to check here, we have some two major support levels that we are looking at. Okay. So number one, and this one is number two. Okay. My take profit levels. Now, these are the key support levels here for Bitcoin, and we should really watch these levels right here. Because if the selling pressure will still be very strong, if Bitcoin would continue to go down, and if Bitcoin could really break the last line of defense here, then we could see then the next support levels would be at around, okay, these areas right here. Okay, at around these areas. As what you can see, guys, it will be very deep. And to be honest, I don't want that to happen. Now, I will be deleting the drawings here, okay? Some people are also saying that we are having a bearish flag for Bitcoin for the past few days. Okay, so this will be the flag and this will be the pole. Okay, there you go, guys. That is the pole. Based on theory, if this is really a bearish flag, then the possible outcome would be the same as the size of the pole. Okay, so as what you could see at around these areas. Now, if we are going to compare that with our next support levels, then it seems like it's also the same, right? Okay, there you go. It seems like that this trading pattern could really materialize if Bitcoin could break past through the last line of defense here. So just be prepared for the worst thing that might happen. Again, I don't like this to happen. But yeah, if this could really materialize, then my next plan is just to buy more at around these areas or at around these levels. Okay? All right, so yeah, this is just a very short technical analysis and discussion about what is happening in Bitcoin right now. To be honest, I am more of a technical trader, so I don't usually care about the news. So if you guys have some idea on what's happening with Bitcoin as of the moment, then comment it below if you know the reason why Bitcoin is dumping as of now. All right, so thank you so much again for watching, guys. Until next time, have a great day. Peace out.